Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of October. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today, and like I said, we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of October. So here's my little cash breakdown, and we will be cash stuffing 2 binders, my weekly on the go binder and my short-term binder. And as you can see, we are in a different setting. I'm actually in a different room today, so it's already nighttime and the lighting is better here, so I decided to change it up a little and film here instead. So today we will be cash stuffing a total of $550. So I did go to the bank this weekend and here's my cash. All right. And if you guys hear any noise, that is Lucy, Dash, and Ollie. They are in the background. And also I live kind of near a road, so there might be some car noises. But yeah, let's go ahead and cash stuff. So again, this will be $550. So I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange my bills. But I hope everybody had a great weekend, and we have, let's see, one more week of this month, which is really crazy, and then it's November, and November is a pretty short month. There's 2 holidays, so I feel like November hasn't come yet, but it's just gonna fly by. Okay, so first off, we are going to stuff my short-term binder. So first envelope will be bills, and bills will be getting $200. Okay, so we have 100, and then I'm gonna put in some 20s. Alright, so altogether, bills has 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So 200 for bills, and then I am just going to add to it. So altogether, bills does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. So 500 in bills, and if you've been following me, my goal for bills is to get 1 month ahead, so I'm doing fine so far. All right, next will be golf, and golf will be getting $20. Okay, so altogether, bills has 20, 40, 50, $50. All right. Okay, next is beauty, and beauty will be getting $30, so I'll be putting in a 20 and a 10. And look at this. This has seen better days. It's very old, and there's even a hole in it. Very worn out. So altogether, 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. 120 for beauty. Travel expenses will be getting $40. So I have 2 20s. So altogether, 51, 20, 40, 60. 160 for travel expenses. Okay, next will be California, and California trip will be getting $40. So here's 2 20s. So altogether, 50, 70, 90, 110, 120 and 130. 130 for California. And that completes my short-term binder. And next will be my weekly on-the-go binder. So first envelope will be for myself, so I'll be giving myself $20. And we do have some left over, which is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now all together we have 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. $34. Okay, eating out will be getting its usual $40. So here's two 20s. Groceries will be getting $50. And household will be getting 10. And household does already have $15, so it'll be $25. And lastly, I will be putting in $100 towards my 100 envelope challenge. Okay. So I will just take my 100 envelope all the way at the end, and I will just fold it. So my goal is to finish the 100 envelope challenge by the end of the year. Okay, so that's everything. So we stuffed my on-the-go weekly binder and my short-term binder. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.